Now that you have the findings from user research, interviews, and observations, you can start working on the stages of the UX process. You may remember from studying them earlier that they are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. By combining the information gathered from all users interviewed, you will learn how to develop a persona which will guide your decisions in the UX design process, beginning with the empathize stage. In this video, you will identify some of the tools available in user research and describe their role in the empathize stage of the UX process. A key tool in the empathize stage of the process is the user persona. The user persona is a fictional character profile that represents the main clientele of a company. It's a realistic model of the people you are seeking to assist. It guides designers away from making assumptions and encourages solutions grounded in empathy for this fictitious user. Although this user is fictitious, it is based on traits from user interviews and observations. Think of our persona as a mixture of the research participants. UX teams can create multiple personas to solve for. It depends on the size of the project and the results of the research data. In this case, two user personas were created, one for a typical returning customer and another for a new customer. Let's explore one of them. Her name is Tilly. She is 60 years old and loves food. She lives close to the Little Lemon restaurant. She loves their vegan penne carbonara. She likes the convenience of ordering food for delivery so she can enjoy it at home while watching her favorite TV shows and movies. She orders for delivery from her phone. Tilly likes things that work. She doesn't mind spending extra money on a product that she knows will work. She's on social media to keep in touch with friends and family, but still finds some websites and apps very frustrating to use. Let's check Tilly's persona. At the top, there is a photo, Tilly's name, age, gender, occupation, and technical ability. Next, there's a one-liner that describes what Tilly does. Loving aunt, great friend, bad gardener. On the right, there is a short bio too. Next, there is a core needs section and a frustration section, listing Tilly's goals and describing frustrations as the barriers that are stopping her from achieving those goals. This section reveals that she can get easily frustrated. It's worth noting that this is a light qualitative persona. There are different types and you can read more about them in the additional resources where you will also find a link to a persona template created in Figma. Next, you will explore an empathy map that has been created. Tilly is positioned in the center of the empathy map, which is divided into 4 quadrants, describing what she says, thinks, does, and feels. Empathy maps, which are neither chronological nor sequential, offer a glimpse into a user's character as a whole. The empathy map helps you get to know Tilly better and puts yourself in her shoes. You'll also find an empathy map template in the additional resources. Finally, a scenario is created for Tilly, which will help you solve her problems. Remember, you're empathizing with Tilly, not redesigning anything just yet. These tools helped create the following scenario. Persona, Tilly. Goal, eat her favorite meal. Want, order a vegan penne carbonara for delivery. Needs, access the site, select and customize her order. Resolution, input her details, pay for, and track her order. In this video, you identified some of the tools designers can use in the empathy stage of the UX process. You also learned how to describe their role in the empathize stage of the UX process. Remember that it's important to center your thinking around the users and not yourself by not assuming things about your customers. This approach will help guide you as you improve the Little Lemon website.